What are we doing today?
Fishing with June bugs.
With June bugs that we got from home?
That are partially dead and alive because there's one moving in there.
Yes.
We caught 2 bass already.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Is it raining?
Yeah.
But you're sticking it out like a trooper?
I hate you for bringing me out in the rain.
I love you.
I love you too.
There you go. Now just pop it up. Reel it in and cast it back a little bit. I'm pretty sure they saw us because you went up there and you got bright pink on. Throw it right down there. You see the 2? This is called spot fishing, basically, or sight fishing. There you go. Lock your reel in. Now just pop it a little bit. Nice and slow, just little tweaks as you reel it in. Like just pop it around the bottom. Yeah, just like that. See that one fish looking at it? Hold on, slow it down. Because they're all wanting to come for it now. You see that? Now pop it. There's a lot of bass right there, Samantha. Bring it towards you slightly. Yeah. Keep doing it. All right, reel it in.
So just keep doing that?
Reel it in and throw it back out there. Throw it past them, so you have to bring it through them. So throw it kind of diagonally right up over to the wall. There you go. Now just kind of pop it and bring it towards you, and you'll feel something take it, and then set the hook. They're looking at it. Get him. Hook him. Reel it in. You got a bass, babe. You have a big bass. Reel it in.
Oh, babe, he's heavy.
Yeah, reel it in. Reel it in, babe. All right, reel it in. Come over this way. Come down off of here and bring it over this way.
It's really heavy.
All right, here. It's on braid, so let's try to just get him. You hooked him real good. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. There's your bass. Grab it by its mouth. Grab it by the, grab it just like that. No, your thumb in there. You'll feel his little teeth.
God,
No, it's okay.
I can't.
You can. Good job. Now take the hook, and you're just gonna take it out just like that. Look at that.
Ooh, he's big.
Yeah, it's fat. It's probably gonna have babies. It's been eaten up. Let me get a good look at it.
It's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I got nasty creek water on me.
It's all right. Good job, babe.
Can I
All
throw
right.
him back?
Yeah, go ahead and give him a toss there. Bye, bud. Thank you for playing.
Ooh.
You gonna catch another bass? I don't know where that bass went, but it like hauled tail towards it. Go ahead and reel it back in because you're right here at the edge. And then just cast it like you were before. It's a good cast though. Oh, there's a bass coming for it. You see it? Get her, hook it. You got him. You got him, reel him in. Reel him in, bring him in. Here, you want me to grab him again?
Yeah.
All right.
Really heavy.
And what they call a boat flip when you bring it up like that. All right, grab him. Nope, thumb. There you go. I'll get the hook for you.
This baby's smaller.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Aww.
just give him go ahead and give him the snack.
Oh my God.
Here, hold on. Yeah, that's the littler one. Good catch, baby girl.
Oh, baby, thank you.
Thanks for playing.
Like feeling though. It's so split. Ew.
The slime that they have?
Yeah, but their teeth feel weird.
Yeah, that's how they grind up crawfish and stuff.
They're like,
Good job.
thank you.
I just swallowed some of those bugs.
They're gonna end up going up our nose.
You all right? You want to give it a cast there? Oh, dude, is that a dead frog upside down or a toad? Did it drown?
Where?
That, look at, see that thing upside down right there? It looks like the belly of a toad or something, don't it?
Yeah, but it looks like it's moving.
Or is it just garbage?
No, I think that's a frog.
That's weird.
Do you see anything in here?
Huh?
Do you see anything in here?
Sometimes they're in the rocks, so if you give it a good cast in here and try not to do what I do and go in the trees all the time.
Alright, well, let's find out.
Yep. Toss it a little bit farther back.
That is for sure a frog, I think.
It looks like it's a toad that like got drowned or something.
I feel like that's as far as I want to go so I don't get stuck, but I don't see anything in here.
Yeah. You could shoot it underneath the bridge if you wanted to try. Or you can go across to the other side. The choice is yours. Something is tearing the crayfish up. There's claws all over here, bodies everywhere. You see that?
Yeah, and I think it killed that little frog too.
Something tells me it was a possum or a raccoon or something else. There's dead bodies of them everywhere, babe. Look. There's two of them over there. There's one here. I just saw, look at right in front of you there. I just saw all these the other day too. And I pulled one up in a video.
Definitely.
You want me to throw it a little farther down there for you? Or are you going to go to the other side?
I wanted to see how far I could walk here. See if I can see anything, but I don't know. I don't see anything.
Careful, that one moves. That's as far as you're going to probably be able to go. You going to try to cast down that one?
Yeah. Now that I'm standing here, I can see what the frog. Oh, yeah, right.
You lost your June bug.
You see anything? I really don't see anything over here.
No, but we can go to the other side. Oh, look, there's a crawfish right there moving in front of you, babe, to the left. See it? See it?
Nope, I'm blind.
Right there. It's blue and red.
Oh, yeah, I see him now.
Cool.
I see a dead one right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, something's going on over here.
Do they really bite these things?
They will try to grab a hold of them if you annoy them, yeah. See, it made him mad.
He's like, don't touch me. I grabbed a stick.
Yep. Bring it over this way. Come on back and we'll, you've got 2 more June bugs. You need my help?
Man, they're like ripping their claws and everything.
Yeah.
That's
They're just something.
it's pretty messed up.
Here.
I'm gonna cast right here.
Yeah, you can cast right there. Just don't go too close to the edge because it is wet. And I don't want you to slide.
Ew, what is that?
That looks like somebody's sub sandwich. That is definitely swollen bread.
That is disgusting.
Here, why don't we go down on the rocks? That way you don't slip with the grass being wet.
Oh yeah, these do feel
Yeah.
no grip on them.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Got to look out for the safety.
Well, we definitely
There's a
need
flat
to
one right
dress
there.
better too when we come out here.
You feel secure on that one? Just give it a toss right there in that deep little pool there and see if there's anything in there.
Where did I cast?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Yeah,
Are you in a tree?
almost. I was very close to getting myself stuck.
Pull those little weeds off of there. There you go. Is there still more weeds? There you go. Yep. Just give it a nice little cast right there in that middle pool.
There's a lot.
Like right across from you. See how it's deeper water right there? Oh, are you on a tree? Let it go as soon as your pull is straight where you're trying to go.